A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and planning of a city or town. In Dehradun, one of the leading companies in the field of land surveying is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This company specializes in providing comprehensive and accurate land surveying services to both government and private clients. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has built a strong reputation for its expertise and professionalism in carrying out various land surveying projects. The role of a government land surveyor is to accurately measure and map the physical features of a particular area of land. This information is essential for various purposes such as urban planning, infrastructure development, property assessment, and boundary disputes. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd employs highly skilled and experienced land surveyors who are well-versed in using advanced surveying equipment and techniques. With their expertise, they are able to provide precise measurements and detailed maps that are essential for decision-making processes. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of adhering to legal and regulatory requirements while conducting land surveys. As a government land surveyor, they ensure that all their surveys are conducted in compliance with the guidelines and regulations set by the relevant authorities. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading government land surveyor in Dehradun that offers comprehensive and accurate land surveying services. With their expertise in using advanced surveying equipment and adherence to legal requirements, they provide precise measurements and detailed maps that are essential for various purposes. Their consultancy services further add value to their clients by providing expert advice on land use and development. Whether it's for urban planning or property assessment, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reliable choice for all land surveying needs in Dehradun. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate and precise measurements and boundaries of land. In Dehradun, a serene city located in the state of Uttarakhand, there is a growing demand for land surveyors due to the increasing development and construction projects in the region. One prominent company that offers land surveying services in Dehradun is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have become a trusted name in providing reliable land surveying solutions. For those aspiring to become a land surveyor in Dehradun, working with the government as a government land surveyor can be an excellent opportunity. The government land surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys on public lands to determine their boundaries, ownership, and any potential encroachments. They also play a vital role in ensuring that all land-related activities are in compliance with the legal regulations and guidelines. This profession requires strong analytical and problem-solving skills, as well as knowledge of various surveying techniques